Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson number 4 of OneNote tips and tricks. Do you know that you can record voice while you take notes? If you don't feel like typing, you can use this option. And also, if you are in a meeting, if you want to record the speech or the explanation of someone, you can use this. How to do that? Go to the Insert menu. Under the Insert, you can see under the recording, record audio. Just click on it and then it will show you the recording menu. So now it's recording actually. If you want to stop, you can stop. If you want to pause, you can pause it. Let's stop. Now it's ready actually. You just need to play it. You need to click on play if you want to see the playback. In that way you can listen. Alright friends, you can apply this in your day-to-day work. Hope you like the video, learn from it, apply in your day-to-day work and share the knowledge with others. Thank you for watching again. God bless you all.